The Art of War for Home Inspectors, Strategies for Business Success. The Art of War by Sun Tzu is a significant text on military strategy and tactics, and it may not be the first resource that comes to mind when figuring out how to run a successful home inspection business. However, the principles that have guided military leaders for centuries can be adapted to the inspection business, offering unique perspectives on strategy, competition, and achieving lasting success. So let's take some of the fundamental teachings of the Art of War and align them with operating a successful home inspection business. Know thyself, know thy enemy. Quote, know the enemy and know yourself. In 100 battles, you will never be in peril. Unquote. In the home inspection industry, understanding your competitor's strengths and weaknesses can offer you a critical advantage. Spy on your competition and research what they offer, their pricing structures, their unique value propositions. And this will help you identify market gaps or weaknesses you can exploit and help you position your business uniquely. Simultaneously, you can conduct a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Do it on your own business. Determine your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Recognize what sets you apart. Your extensive training and certification, cutting-edge inspection tools, various ancillary inspection services, or exceptional customer service. Knowledge is power here, and understanding yourself and your competitors is the key to strategic planning. So spy on your competition by visiting any Natchi.org page and clicking the link to search for inspectors. So let's see how that looks. So go to a Natchi.org page and click the link to search for inspectors, and you type in your zip code and search for home inspectors in your area. And here I'll see a bunch of inspectors. So if I click the first one, Big Ben Inspections, this is my friendly competitor, and I'm going to spy on this competitor to see what they do that I should be doing. The services and fees, the tips for home buyers booklet, how they educate their clients, the qualifications. So the services, I would take a look at the services that they do. Apparently he uses infrared on every inspection. Take a look at the qualifications. He's certified by InterNACHI, has a ton of inspector certifications. So that's how you know thyself and know thy enemy. Strategic planning and adaptability. Quote, all men can see these tactics whereby I conquer, but what none can see is the strategy out of which victories evolved. Unquote. In the Art of War, strategic planning is emphasized repeatedly. In the home inspection business, this could translate into a well-thought-out business plan that covers everything from marketing strategies to future scalability. The real trick is remaining adaptable and diversified. The real estate market changes, new building standards develop, new materials develop, customer preferences evolve, so your business should be agile enough to adapt and move with the shifting play. To learn more about business plans and marketing strategies, take InterNACHI's free online home inspection business and marketing course provided by our tuition-free college at internachi.edu. And here's how you can access that course for free at any time from any device. Go to any Natchi.org page, NACHI.org, click Get Started, scroll down to our education page. In the search field, type in Business, and the Home Inspection Business and Marketing course pops up. You can access this course. It's free, online, and open to everybody. So that's a little bit about strategic planning and adaptability. The terrain. Market research. Quote, we cannot enter into alliances until we are acquainted with the designs of our neighbors. Market research is like studying the terrain in warfare, knowing the demographic makeup of your market area, the legal landscape, and studying companies that provide services that overlap the real estate inspection industry can all contribute to making better business decisions. For example, you may be interested in partnering with and being a lead generator for local pest control companies that provide services your company doesn't offer. Another example would be that you know many homeowners in your service area are particularly concerned about sustainability, and offering specialized inspections focusing on energy efficiency and saving home energy can set you apart. To become a certified home energy inspector, visit natchi.org/certification and scroll down to the Home Energy Inspector. Let me show you how that looks. We have more than 60 different types of inspector certifications provided by InterNACHI for free and online. Scroll down to the Home Energy Inspector logo and click it and learn how to complete your training and certification. So that's about getting acquainted with the terrain. Strike where the enemy is weak. Niche marketing. Quote, To know how to recognize an opportunity in war and to take it benefits you more than anything else. Instead of competing heads-on with established players who offer full home inspection services, consider identifying a niche, a focused or specialized area of a broader market that your company serves, specializing in certain types of properties and certain types of inspections like historic home inspections, commercial property inspections, sewer scopes, pool inspections, or infrared thermography inspections can help you target a specific market segment and gain a competitive advantage. To become infrared certified, visit nachi.org/IR, nachi.org/IR. Another quote from The Art of War is, "The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting." So keep an eye on your competitors, but focus on improving your services. The objective is to become your area's go-to home inspection service, a one-stop shop, a local housing consultant, an inspection company that provides overwhelming value to every client, making the need to engage in price wars or other competitive behaviors unnecessary. Deception and perception, branding and reputation. Quote, "Appear weak when you are strong and strong when you are weak." Your branding is the perception you create in the marketplace. Having a strong brand can often deter competitors from challenging you head on. But remember, a brand is not just a logo or a tagline. It's the quality of service, the customer reviews, the reputation you build over time. Brand is the answer to the question, why should I hire you instead of anyone else? And the answer to that question is your most powerful weapon. Another quote is, "In war, the way is to avoid what is strong and to strike at what is weak." And this advice from The Art of War can be directly applied to selecting your target market. Instead of confronting larger, more established competitors head-on, focus on market segments that may be neglecting. For example, do you plan on visiting and serving the big 200 agent offices or investing in the small offices that have only a handful of agents? By striking at these weaker areas, you can establish a stronghold that can later serve as a launching point for a broader market engagement. To learn more about how to network with real estate agents at offices, including doing some presentations, visit nachi.org/presentations, nachi.org/presentations. Efficiency is the key. Quote, "Opportunities multiply as they are seized." Efficiency in warfare, according to The Art of War, often determines the outcome of battles. In your home inspection business, efficiency can manifest in different forms. Timely and efficient inspection processes, concisely written and accurate report narratives, rapid customer service responses. The more efficient your processes or the operations of your company, how things are done, the more opportunities you can seize, whether it's a last-minute inspection request or an unexpected opening to generate revenue in a new vertical market. To learn more about systematizing your company's operations and processes in order to grow and scale your inspection business, visit certifiedmasterinspector.org/scale. certifiedmasterinspector.org/scale. I'll show you what that looks like. So here's certifiedmasterinspector.org/scale. And it's a free download. It's a book called Scale Up by Certified Master Inspector and InterNACHI founder Nick Gromicko. Employee engagement. Quote, "Regard your soldiers as your children, and they will follow you into the deepest valleys. Look upon them as your own beloved sons, and they will stand by you even unto death." Unquote. The Art of War emphasizes the importance of taking care of your troops. In a home inspection business, your employees, your inspectors, are your most valuable asset, offering continuous training opportunities, creating a rewarding work environment, acknowledging their contributions to foster a committed workforce. These are good things. If you have employees at your inspection company, take advantage of the many resources provided by InterNACHI to multi-inspector firms by visiting nachi.org/multi, nachi.org/multi. Achieving lasting success. There is no instance of a nation benefiting from prolonged warfare. That's the quote. Well, this quote is a caution against complacency. That's that feeling of quiet security, often while being unaware of potential problems with your business's future. The road to business success is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Consistent quality, ongoing learning, continuous adaptation, and operational improvements are vital for long-term success. Complacency can often result in stagnation, which in business terms can mean the loss of clients or market share. The Art of War may be an ancient text, but its wisdom is timeless and applicable even in today's competitive home inspection industry. From market analysis to strategic planning, operational efficiency, employee engagement, and dealing with competition. Each lesson from the art of war can be translated into actionable strategies for business success. By integrating these age-old strategies, we honor the wisdom of the past and apply it in a manner that is both practical and effective for operating a successful home inspection business.